This article explains how to use the spreadsheet interface in WeldTrace to manage drawing data effectively. You will learn how to add, revise, and save data using this Excel-like tool. In some of the interfaces, you will find this button for a spreadsheet interface. I'll open that in the Drawings page. This opens it like an Excel spreadsheet. Click the button to open the spreadsheet interface within WeldTrace for data management. We can adjust the column widths, and when you revisit the spreadsheet, it will remember the changes that you made to the column width. Now you can either add extra data here or revise. So when you click Revise, you will be able to make changes to the previously entered data in bulk. So you can use Control-C and Control-V just like you would do in Excel. Click the Proceed button to continue after entering or revising data in the spreadsheet interface. Move over to the Add field. Copy data and then paste them. Obviously, this won't accept because they are duplicates. But if you need to add, let's say, drawing number 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then if you need to make some changes to the date and copy them here. Then you'll be able to quickly add the drawings using the spreadsheet interface. Click Save to preserve your changes in the spreadsheet interface. So click Save to create the new drawings and Edit in case you are revising the information. So this only adds the data. It doesn't add the files. In order to upload the files to the drawings, you need to use the bulk file upload function. Or edit each drawing and then upload the files. You will find this spreadsheet interface in Welds as well. If you have the data in a separate spreadsheet, you can copy and paste the data in here, as long as the columns in your spreadsheet align with this interface. This article explained how to use the spreadsheet interface in WeldTrace to add, revise, and manage drawing data efficiently. For more information, see related articles on bulk file uploads and data management.